So I wanted to give you a quick update. I know I updated yesterday with the results and showed you what I've been going on for the last week, but we had a hell of a day yesterday. Now, I'm not going to get carried away with it because I've been here before with draw betting and I know there's a lot of variance, but I wanted to show you before we get started with all the Saturday's games because there's going to be a hell of a lot to wade through. So on the screen at the moment, we've got our high shot filter results. So these are the games that it's churned out for us. I did start putting them in green, but I've created a separate section for that now if they won or lost. So yeah, that's high shots and low shots. And if you look at the ones that we've actually, I haven't put money on them, but these are the selections, if you like, based on those filters. You can see that, as I said in the video yesterday, got off to a slow start, lost the first 4, then we got that one in Egypt, and then after that there was one yesterday morning in Japan which ended 4-2, which was actually 2-0 to the away team to Urawa at half time, and then it got to 2-2 at about 80 minutes and I was buzzing. They ended up winning 4-2, but anyway. But then after that we've gone on a right run. So as you can see, we've got a result in Argentina yesterday at like 7:30. The Drogheda one we lost, and then 2 lost 1, and then this run of 4 lost 1, another 1, and then overnight. So overnight we had 4 overnight and we won 2 of those, which at the odds we're looking at, that's, you know, another 20 or 2 points, £20 profit. So you can see that we've rocketed from, I think at the last video we were minus 18 maybe. We've rocketed all the way up to £163, so that's 16.3 points, which is ridiculous. So this run here has just sort of, you know, gone crazy. I've even put the next 3 on, and you know why I've put these on? To show you that I'm not just sort of hand selecting the games that I put on, because there's loads on the filters and I do have to sort of go to the effort of checking through them. But you'll see from this is exactly what the filter churned out, and I've actually done I've done all of them. I've included all of them on the selections so that I didn't hand pick, and you know, like, it wasn't subjective. It was that is what's going on. These Japanese ones are the next ones, and I had £10 in a William Hill account which I didn't know was there, so I've actually put £2 on each one. Yeah, last of the big spenders, but that's why I put them on the sheet, because I know what will happen now. These won't finish in draws, you just know it, like, but I wanted to put them on there for transparency. And then we've got a hell of a lot for Saturday, as you'd expect. Look, you can see this is the whole filter output for Saturday. So I've got to wade through that. Some of the zeros are because they're average shots and goals at home, and my filter can't average if there's only been one game because it needs a calculation, so I'll work on that.